Hey Boloco team, I'm really excited to share Prospr with you. This is your admin manager guide for everything communications focused and how you'll use Prospr at Boloco. So on the right, you'll see my desktop. On the left, you'll see my mobile. We're going to quickly just go through the desktop dashboard. Here is your ticketing inbox. This is your bulletin board for big announcements. Anytime you see a plus sign in Prospr, it is a signal that you can do something. So when you click the plus sign here, this is where you're able to create a headline, a description of the post. If you want to include a video, it has to be in a place that is hosted, so Loom, Vimeo, YouTube. This is where you would add a photo, a GIF, or we'll help you and provide some here. Reactions are emojis. Comments allow your team to ask questions and comment on the post in real time. And here is how you are able to choose. Is this for one location, the entire workspace? As we're just in New Hampshire in this workspace right now, it would be for the entire workspace. And then when you're ready, you can post. If you ever need to make an edit to a bulletin, hover over the title with this pencil. You can edit anything that you need. Same interaction on mobile. Plus sign. Great work, Ashley. Ashley is killing it. Give her a big high five. If I want to add a video, a photo, I can use those icons on the bottom right. Again, we'll help you with some to start. Next, if I want to pin something to the top, that's going to stay at the very top of the bulletin screen on both desktop and mobile. Emojis, reactions, workspace, post. Very simple, very easy. Anytime you see that plus sign again, that's really that indicator. Now let's move down the menu bar that you'll see are actually quite similar between mobile and desktop. So you'll see on the left-hand side, messages. Here, I can talk to entire teams. I can talk to everyone in Hanover. I can talk one-on-one. I can create different channels, for example, shift coverage. If I need to add new employees to custom-made channels, all I'm going to do, click that cog. Great. Now I can start adding my team to this channel. You'll see that the Hanover channel does not have a cog. That is because anybody who works in Hanover or is added to the system and is able to work in Hanover, they are automatically going to be put in both the Hanover chat and the team member chat. Those are auto-generated. To find a group when you are on your desktop, all group conversations live here. To find a group in mobile or to create a new group, you're going to use that icon on the top right, groups, and here it is. I can add people to a group from mobile as well. 3 dots. I can then add and subtract people. I can change names. I can create a new group. Everything lives here. Really easy to do. Tickets. This is how your team is going to relay things like inventory requests, issues. As an admin, you can change your ticket settings. You can create new tickets. You can delete tickets. For your team, again, that plus sign. I'm going to select the type. Critical, big flood, and then you can actually instruct your team to take pictures of exactly what they see so that you can mitigate any error or confusion that might get caused by the way somebody describes something. You can have your team assign you a ticket, and then you're able to simply submit. When you are in your desktop, you'll be able to see all tickets here on the right-hand side. I can see what's overdue, new, critical. I can click into a ticket. I can see exactly what my team member wanted me to see. I can assign a ticket. I can add followers to a ticket. And then I can have a running conversation. You'll also have a full history of a ticket, so you can see that I have now just assigned this to John. I can also set due dates on a ticket, reset the priority, It's now a critical ticket and mark its progress. I'm working on this all the way through closed. Same on my mobile. I can click into a ticket. I can add notes. I can add ancillary photos. Right, so was something done? I'd like to see the finished work. Right, if you're using this as a tasking ticket. I can mute a ticket if I don't want notifications on it. I can unmute a ticket. Your team should be ticketing things that would normally end up as a text message that nobody can action, or something that somebody says to you on the fly that they're expecting you to do something about. Ticketing is really an improvement there. Last but not least, our resource section. This is where we'll find things like the employee handbook, our mission, checklists, anything that you want your team to have easy access to, like HR documents, employee handbooks, menu items, allergy issues. All of that can now live in your team's mobile phone in the same place they are going for announcements, real-time chat, and to relay issues to you from the field. Prospr is here to streamline your communications, make it easier for you to relay things to your team, easier for your team to relay things to you, and to ensure that everyone is prospering at Boloco.